Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to film for the week of March 25th through 31st in my A5 Sterling Ink Common Planner, and I am using Beach Bum from According to Allie. Why am I using an out of season sticker sheet? Well, we're gonna be on vacation this week, and we may see a beach 1 or 2 days, but I thought let's do the whole week as a beach theme. Because I'm not normally a beach person. I don't normally go to the beach, and I thought this may be like the 1 or 2 days I actually do go to a beach. Anyway, so I'll be using this from According to Allie, and you can use the code Karina10 to get 10% off any of your purchases from her. Let's get started. So this week is going to be, I'm basically just decorating. I'm not filling too much in just because, well, I don't know fully what the plans are going to be, and that's what I love about vacations. They're kind of just like, we'll take it as we go. And I'm going to use these crafty scraps from According to Allie as well, because they can represent the beach. Alrighty, so there's one spot there, and I'm going to put one up here, and I'm covering the date. Move the plant. I am covering the date, but that's not too big of a deal for me. So I also want to bring in this washi. I love Allie's hexagon washi, one of my favorite things that I use pretty much all the time. Now with this feels like an awkward one, like where am I going to put this? But actually, now that I'm seeing it, it looks great there. Oh my gosh, it's like its own little beach scene. It's like I planned it that way. Oh boy. And then I'm going to put maybe this one here, the deck chair. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so excited. Okay, and then I plan to use all of these stickers, by the way. So let's do the little crab on the beach. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That's so cute. And then let's do, I almost feel like I could put this here, but I want to make sure I still have enough room for my habit tracker, because my habit tracker goes to about 10, let's say 11 squares. So one, okay, there's enough room here. There's enough room there. So I could actually put this here. Perfect. And I need a little bit of color down there, so I'm gonna add these green sunglasses. And then, oh my gosh, that's so cute. I can't get over that. Oh my gosh. I know, you're probably like, Karina, shut up. It's cute. We get it. I'm gonna put this up here. And then let's put the beach ball here. I don't want to cover up the 26th though, because that is my birthday, which is the day that this is coming out. And oh gosh, I love it. Oops, love it. I'm gonna put swimsuit here. I am going to use up this whole sticker sheet because it's so cute. And honestly, I've had this sticker sheet for quite some time. I just haven't been able to use it because I haven't really been to a beach in, when was the last time I was at a beach? I think I was at a beach in August 2022 when we went on our last cruise. Yeah, it's been a while. So just putting these everywhere. Actually, I feel like this could go here. And then the hat. Where do I want to put the hat? I almost feel like it could go here. Yeah, or yeah. Okay, put it down. Okay, sticker sheet finished. How cute is that? Like, that is absolutely adorable. So what I'm going to actually put down here is I will still try and keep track of my sleep score while I am on vacation, because I think for me, it's important to be able to see if I'm actually getting the rest that I need. I know though when traveling, it could be a little bit more difficult to get some semblance of a healthy sleep routine, but we'll see. And then in terms of workouts, I have no idea what I'll be doing for workouts. I mean, there is a gym on the ship, but we will see. So I'll just write workouts here and then see what I end up doing. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Now, I don't want to put anything major in here yet. This basically, oh, no, I know what I'm putting in here. I'm putting in my habits. So things like listening to my audiobook, reading 10 to 15 pages of my actual book, and then try to meditate. And then it'll be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Oh, perfect. Plenty of room. Oh, I like that. I like that. Okay. I know this was a very quick plan with me, but really I just wanted to get all of these decorations, these stickers down, because I mean, how cute. Although I feel like I could go, let's see if we can find myself some good quotes from Allie here. I mean, not the work sucks, but let's see. Is there anything else I can add? Like, those are all winter quotes. I'm sure I have others. If not, that's not too big of a deal. Let me try one other. Okay, yes, these are also from According to Allie. I have lots. Winter Essentials, Pool Party. I didn't decide to use Pool Party because I thought, well, I could have used Pool Party, but decided not to. Let's see, any good quotes that I can put anywhere. You are enough. Life is too short. How to get a bikini body. I love this. Let's stay home. Nope. All right. Maybe if I just put this here. It doesn't really relate to the vacation, but I think it's still good to have a quote. All bodies are good bodies. I think we could, no, you know what? I'll keep it just to the one. And maybe one of these. The if not now, when, which feels perfect for vacation. Just where do I want to put that? There. All right. I think I'm going to leave it at that. Very quick, not even a plan with me. It's more of a decorate with me, but I still call it a plan with me because I have left all of the spaces open for me to, well, I leave the spaces open because the way that I plan on vacation is more like a memory plan where I just write down everything that we've done, and that way it's easy for me, one, journal, but two, it's easy for me to look back on it and think, okay, it'll look similar to, you know, other spreads, but it won't have as many emojis or stickers because I'm not going to take all of those on vacation with me. All right, that is it for me. A very quick decorate my planner type of video. Very, very excited. I feel like I should put something there for my birthday. What can I put there for my birthday? Just to make it, you know, just to make it that much more woo. Let's see. Anything from here? I won't even be taking this. I won't be taking really any of my icons or stickers. The only thing I'm really going to take with me in terms of planning will be my pens and my journal. I'll just leave it. All right, Now that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.